Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another stream. Another beautiful Onyx stream today. Well, I say Onyx stream, but we will be working on our volumetric terrain today. Again, there was some good progress yesterday and today on the engine. Didn't get to test the setup. We'll do that tomorrow before the stream. And then I just need, as I said, write the license and create the repository, and then we should be good with the release. I keep saying that, and then there's more bits and pieces that I always want to fix. I'm kind of a little bit perfectionist, even though it's like far from perfect, but yeah, sooner than later then I have to release it. Let me quickly fix the daily overview. Spline. All right. Good. So we have that. And now we can open our beautiful solution. And then you can see as well what I did is, or not that, but actually let's close that because then it should be saved hopefully. Yeah. And yeah, we have our this beauty again back with like the actual panels on the left and right, and then you can dock it. And then what I did as well is the shader graph, and you can dock it as well, and then you have like both at the same time, and you can drag that out if you want to. We don't have the multi-viewport currently in ImGUI enabled because I need to do some backend work on the Vulkan for that, but it's on the long list of features. But yeah, that's more or less what I did. Good. So I think we can get and work a little bit again on our beautiful volume thing. So for that we go back to volume debug window, I think, right? Yeah. Now we had the issue that the line segments were not correctly done, I think. And then the question is, did we fix that? Oh, we might have fixed that already. Shouldn't that be one thing? I mean, maybe not. No, but that looks like it should be one line strip. Right? Unless we do something weird. So we put in a new line strip. Now we push in the line segment. And then maybe we do while. Is that correct? No. No, I guess it actually is correct. Hold on. Where is it? I think I had my reference, like a, well, not reference, but my old implementation somewhere. Let me quickly open it on the second screen. Not that there is like more there, but maybe there is a little bit more. So I might have deleted some stuff along the way. Okay. No, that's not it. Where? I mean, basically, wait, why are we doing it so complicated? I could do an iterator loop maybe. Oh yeah, okay, no, I didn't fix it. Yeah, okay. This is wrong. So basically, yeah. We do that. Now we push in the first one. And we don't have a clear? Oh god. That's a problem in that container. We should definitely have some sort of clear here. Maybe I don't use that then. Might as well just copy it over for now. It's like ugly, but what can you do? Alright, and then we take the first one from here. We could as well back, it doesn't really matter, right? Oh, okay. Well, we can do that, and then we take the back element, and then we pop it. Good. And then we go for... But basically, while we still have segments, we keep going, and then for each and then here probably go while we haven't added, or while we have added something. So basically we go through all of our segments here. And we do it naively now, but it's fine. So basically we check if our line strip is connected to the line segment. And if we say has added is true, we break. We push back that, and we we remove that index. We can probably do is less than segments size. Again, this is pseudocode. We will clean that up. I just want to get the algorithm working, and then we will go from there. And we, for now, break because, yeah, I mean, we can loop from the back as well. Yeah, we can do that. Because then we don't need to break, we can keep going. And then if has added equals force, then and we still have segments left. Well, actually, we can do that up here, right? And get rid of that, and that should be better. Famous last words. Might as well horribly crash. Yeah. Perfect. Yes, because we are stupid. Oh yes, that looks better now. So that's how I think it should look, because we're tracing now correctly that it's like one component. Still not quite sure what the surface would look like for that. But well, not really my problem right now, but yeah. Oh, that's nice. Alright. So I think the tracing is correct. So the next step after that one would be creating triangles, I think. I think the next step is already the triangulation. At least I think it is. Let me quickly double check if that is correct. Because so we generate the segments. Then we trace the components. And I do think now we have just the mesh stuff left. Which is not too hard, I guess. So if we have the components, which would be those. Let's see. So we go through each component. I mean, we basically do that here already. Let's do a checkbox. And otherwise we create a mesh here. So basically we have a mesh builder. Why is that not working? Okay, now that should work. Oh, we might need to include, right? And then we do the mesh builder basically. And if our component Oh, but... we need to clean that up. Because I think that's not correct what I'm doing here. I mean, it is correct, but we have duplicates, right? Isn't that the thing? Because the shared position is in there, which is not what we want. So probably how about we do this and we store here a vertex, or actually let's do it just a vector 3f. But we would need to establish in what direction it is, right? Actually not so simple. I mean, it's not super hard as well. But we probably want to create the component like in order, so that it makes sense. Yeah, we need to remove like duplicates. Basically. Unfortunate. I thought I can do something easy today. What's the best way to do that? I mean, I can always brute force it. We are already brute forcing this anyways. Might as well for now. The thing is, do I maybe need to do that? Maybe I can do like vector 3f. theoretically. Oh, no, let's do that. So vertex equals V. All right. Contained or has found. Okay, and then let's do that. Let's push back our vertices. And then we have segment get from and segment get to. And then we push that back. And then if that contains so if it contains get from, we push back. Is the order important in those? Maybe it is, right? Maybe it is important. I mean, we could as well. No, let's do it naively for now. Let's do that. And where we do that at the end. Basically, if has added, then we do that. Well, actually, yeah, no, yes, let's do that. And then we don't break, actually. And let's do if line segment get 2. Then we do the get from. And that one. Yeah, let's push it back always in the end. I don't know. It doesn't really matter, I think. Vector 3f. Component vertex. Let's see where that brings us. Probably into a crash again. Eh. Or into absolutely nothing. Oh, where? Because... where is my checkbox? That didn't work out quite so well. Okay, here. Probably it was behind the, yeah. So let's do that, and then this, and we have a single line that's not exactly what I wanted. Unfortunate. Shouldn't you have 3 components? Well, actually you have 4. But you have duplicates, great. Why? Because I'm stupid. Alright. That's why. How come that's 5? It's not really how it should be. What the hell? How come that is the case? So we... how many segments do we have? 3. And now we already have only 2 segments left. And we have 2 of our 3 vertices already there. Zero, 1, 0, 5. Which one? Sorry. We add the from 0, 1, 0, 5. Yeah, that one doesn't exist. Right? Yeah, that makes sense. Then we erase that. We go in here. And then here the from is contained. But the 2... Hey GD Bobby. Welcome, welcome. Let's actually... Well, or connected. And then we'll connect that to... And if connected from and it's not connected to, then one of them is, right? And then if connected from, then we push that one. Otherwise, we can already be sure that we have to push that one. And then we can always set has added to true in this case, I think. We can erase our segment here. Where? If has added or connected from and connected to are correct, then we can. Which linear algebra library are you using? My own, unfortunately. I wrote my own. Well, it's not a lot that I wrote, right? I wrote like a matrix vector class and basically a quaternion, and that's it. It's not like that there's a lot of stuff in there. Oh, we have 3 vertices. Yes. And then we need to basically just close it in the case that we have 3, right? Basically, let's just push back here one more time. Push back. We push back one more time the first. Oh god, that's wrong. It's quick and basic. I don't think... I mean, SimD is nice, but I don't think I'm at a point where I need that, right? Alright, so we have that working. That looks wrong. Perfect. God damn it. That is wrong. Wrongly triangulated down here. So that doesn't work. Yeah, probably because I'm pushing it in the wrong order. Probably if connected from yeah. Basically, I have to insert it in the right order, right? Otherwise, this whole thing doesn't work. So maybe we get the index. I'm not sure if that works, but let's see. So index of from found index to found index. So if from index is not -1, then we insert at from found index. Line like that, right? And otherwise we insert from the begin with the 2 in the 2 found index. Does that make sense? I think it does. And then if we have added or both of them are not... Well, actually, if one of them already is... I think the check is a little bit useless here. I think it can be easier than that. Oh, yes, we have it. Where? I kinda broke it then. But yes, okay, so that looks perfect. God, why is it like this? Ah, okay, I see. If I have a plane here, then it scares that plane. That's interesting. Good to know. I think I want to scare that up. Yeah, whatever. Kind of busted. So if I create like more now... Oh no. That's not correct. I mean, that might be correct. Oh, where? Because we are stupid. Hello. Oh no. Why is that busted? So we have 6 segments, and then we have 1 segment left, which is kind of weird that it's only 1 segment. I got Vulkan to the point of loading shaders, meaning I'm sticking with Vulkan. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So why? Hold on. Shouldn't that be? I am perplexed why that would be the case. Let me plug in my phone. Oh god damn it. Well, it's what is actually in the first component that makes the most sense. Why is it 4 things? And why is it 2 times the same? Wait, what? Yeah, why is that here 2 times? And then we have that, which kinda makes sense. There's something weird going on. I think my line segments are wrong, maybe? No, actually they... So I mean, in theory, the first three should form a triangle, right? And then the other should form one as well. If I did it correct, which... I mean, I hope I did. So I mean, the corners look correct. Well, I hope for you as well that it works. Yeah, we did, or I did some work yesterday on, well, yesterday and today on the Imguish shenanigans. So made it that those work now. You can have like here the graph editor again. You can dock it now finally again. So I fixed a little bit the docking behavior. It's still not 100% where I want it, but good enough. And then you can have the scene editor as well. That one is currently not docked by default, but yeah, then you can dock it as well. And then you can have all of them here. And you have your component and your entity panel again. So yeah, we are almost back to a fully functional editor. But good enough for the release. So I mean, that will hopefully give us like a triangle exactly. And then if that's corner 5, okay, well, that's not what I wanted. True. So that worked. But that suddenly fails, which is... bizarre. Wait, hold on. Isn't... what am I drawing there? Hold on, what? In that case, actually, I don't want to draw that. Hold on, I want to draw the line segments here. Alright, let's do both, right? Let's revert that. Was that my headset or was that my mouse that has complained? I think it was my headset. I'm running out of juice on my... No, it was not my headset, it was my mouse. Yep. Okay. Good. Alright. So, let's try that again. Show line segments. Okay. Now we have this as well. And they are the same, that's good. That is... That looks wrong. What am I drawing there? Hold on. What? I mean, probably. How about where is it? How about we do that? I mean, we could always do that as well. That makes it easier, right? And then here, let's do a modulo on the max colors, which I think is 8. Yeah. Just so that we don't run out of the array, basically. In case we have more than the lines that we want. Because I think we connected lines that shouldn't be connected. Okay, yeah, that looks better. But then this is wrong. And it somehow eats away lines that it shouldn't. God, it's so bizarre. Why does it do that? Are we deleting on the wrong index or maybe? Or are we... Wait a second. We are stupid. So when we have... We should actually... Hold on. We should actually... Here... Do that and then break and continue. I haven't realized I haven't changed my email address on my Git hosting provider since, well, I have changed my email. Oh, that sucks. I mean, it's not a big deal, I guess, but... Still annoying. Okay, so that looks better. That looks better. Okay, so that log looks like way cleaner now. Maybe we have it working. Perfect. Maybe we have figured it out. Oh, that's a funny one. So basically, yeah, the surface is like that, curved, right? I have stashed my chunk on the internet now, I call it history. Yeah, that's true. I'm doing the same. Well, and soon I will stash this chunk on Git. For everyone to look at. And break it because it breaks very easily currently. Okay, so I think that's correct now, and we should be able to have only... Yeah, that's basically every day, right? You are correct about that. And now we should be able to build a mesh out of that, right? So basically we go if our component vertices size is exactly 3, and we just add a triangle. I don't have a normal now, but do we need one? Maybe not, right? Let's just do... Oh, I don't know, man. Let's just do a random normal. Shouldn't that be... Oh, we have the analytic normal as well. Oh, I hate it. Tech debt at its best. All right. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, that just sounds too familiar. Okay, else if we don't have 3 vertices, we have like more, right? And then we need to do some magic, let's say. Where is my stupid... Did I close it again? Seems like it. Great. Oh no, there it is. Why did I not see that? So where is it? Exactly, and then otherwise we basically do something very stupid for now, which is we go through all of our vertices. Zero I less than our component vertices size. -2, we are safe to do that, right? Because we are more than 3. Well, if we're not done, we would crash here currently, but usually we are either 3, like we are triangle, or we are more. There's not that we are just a single line. That shouldn't happen. Component or vertices count, vertex count. Let's do that. Vertex count. So we do that, and then we basically push mesh builder at vertex and normer. So we push that in. That's interesting. What did I do there? I mean, I guess... I'm not sure if that works in my current iteration. We will see. So basically, here we do... Let's save that actually. Let's save that as this. And then do that. Because then we can do vertex count here, -1. And then we need the normer. 2 times again, because why not? One normal is not enough. No, that's that one was the normal that I calculate from the gradient of the signed distance function with like an offset. Like basically I sample the gradient function 2 times and then I take the gradient from that, and that's the normal basically. Or this is like the real calculated one, which for a sphere, for example, it's just like the direction to the point. For a cube it was a little bit more than that to calculate, but especially on the corners. But yeah, I think I'm not using that anymore. All right. And then we basically put in another add vertex and normer with the component. Alright, that's vertices. Add I. And that. And then we do another one, I+1. And that should hopefully, if that is the center point of the triangle fan, this will work, but I have my doubts about that. Because I don't do this ordering currently. Now we need to stitch the last one in manually afterwards, basically to close it. Like that. And that will horribly fail. So basically we do that, and then can I do plot 3D mesh? Meh. Can I maybe just do... Get vertices, what is that? But that's more than... Yeah, god damn it. Or can I do a stride? No, I can't. Alright. What does he want? I am plot point 3D, I think. Oh, we don't even need an armor. Perfect. So we have that, and then we can put those here, data. Then this one should be fairly simple, because I think we can do get indices data. And now we can do mesh vertices size and mesh builder get indices size. Now he wants an int here. Annoying that he wants ints here, but okay. Maybe? Let's do another. Let it horribly fail. Don't say that. It will perfectly work. So here is our 3-line segments. Here is our merged line segment, and here is our crash. Oh, it worked. Oh my god. Well, it's a one triangle, so don't get too excited. That was the easy part. Let's do that. Let's do that. I mean, is that amazing or is that amazing? Oh. Beautiful. I mean, keep it. Can I somehow... What are the mesh flags here? Because there is some flags, I think. Maybe I can do a... I mean, do I want some flags? I don't know. What kind of... What flags do I have here? Okay, not really anything. I am plot 3D style, maybe? Because the thing is, on his iron plot demo, didn't he have like a beautiful mesh? Like, I want this one. Where? How do I get that? Why is his so much nicer? How did he do that? Show it to me. Or are you drawing the lines first and then... No, it's actually not. Mesh line color. Where does he set that? Ah, set next line style. Okay. Is that correct? 1F too little. What? Oh, you want a vec 4? Okay. Or isn't that what you want? I am vec 4. Yeah. 1 1 1 1. I mean, we could do 0 0 0, then it's black, right? But white might be better. Huh. I guess come on, at this pace I will see GTA 6 in my game library before you have a monkey on screen. Or a monkey. I'm not sure. Eh? Why is those lines? Those lines are kind of weird. Maybe we need to... Oh, maybe we need to... do the style for the like for the fill a little bit. Yeah, okay. Set next fill style. I am plot 3D. Set next fill style. I mean, with that in place, we can then move to trying to triangulate full yeah, terrain that is with god damn it, words are hard. We can try to triangulate a fixed size grid because we don't have dynamic or adaptive resolution patching yet in there. But that looks already kind of promising, not gonna lie. God damn it, I hate this that it zooms like that. I am plot 3D, what are you doing? Okay. Can I make this bigger? Because I mean that's like disgustingly small, but whatever. Alright, so I think all of that works. Okay. So yeah, let's do tomorrow. Get the 3D grid. I think I still have the CSG source for a 3D grid somewhere, probably. Because as I said, on the Octree it won't work because we don't have the dynamic patching for the different resolutions yet. So we need a fixed size grid first. And then we will do the adaptive resolution. So one step at a time. But yeah, tomorrow I guess we will... Do I have it? No, I don't think I have the fixed size grid currently. CSG source? No, it's not a CSG source, right? It's a volume source, I think. Volume source? I think volume source. Or volume base, sorry. Graphics pipeline basics. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. Well, you should put it wherever you create your pipeline, right? That's part of the pipeline stuff. But yeah, welcome. Welcome to Vulkan. It's fun, they said. Well, if you have shaders, you have a pipeline. Without the shader, you cannot have... Like, the shader runs within the pipeline, right? So you would at least need one pipeline already. Somewhere. Ah, okay, sorry. Alright, okay. Then you don't have a pipeline. Never mind. Whatever you prefer. Don't need to. But if you want to show it, sure. What is that? Sorry. Okay, whatever. I won't show it on stream, of course. Because yeah, it's CMake as well. Beautiful. I mean, that looks like how I started. So yeah. That is... Why do you... Let me quickly... Where is your header for that? Oh, here. Okay, maybe I'm blind. Sorry, I'm looking at something, but because I was curious why you're doing this reinterpret cast. there. Where does this come from? Ah, okay. You read the file in jar and then convert it. Okay, I see. Do I do the same? Where do I do that? Where do I create my shader module? Here, right? Come on. Is that not where I do it? Bytecode. But I already have it as 32. Where do I get that from? Oh cool, it's not used. Of course it's not used. I don't believe you that it's not used. Oh, but maybe it really isn't used. Never mind, it probably gets called from here. Or here. Ah, because I get a U8 already. Yeah. Where? Do I get a U8? Hold on. No, yeah, U32. Sorry. But do I get that from? Ah, I saved it as right as U32, okay. Yeah. Okay. I save it on disk as a 32-bit binary, like length. And then I read it out as that. That's why I don't have this reinterpret cast. I mean, doesn't look too bad what you have there. It's getting there. I mean, of course it's not a lot yet, but I mean that's unfortunately the steep entry for Vulkan, that you need to write like what feels like 10,000 lines of code until you have something. But then once it runs, it's quite nice. Oh, you have a... That's interesting, you have a scoring function for the device. I didn't do that. I mean, I've read that you can and might do that, but I didn't. I'm just taking the first discrete GPU basically that you have. No, that makes sense. That's a clean solution, to have as little includes as possible. You have VM pass through. Okay. Alright, but I think I will call it a day for today. It was already quite a long day for me. Yeah, tomorrow we will try to get a sphere or like a cube meshed, like the isosurface extracted with cubical marching squares, which will be multiple cubes that we need to mesh then. Let's see if that turns out to work, or if it will horribly fail. I mean, the first look here looks fine, right? But that's like only one cube. So VM gives textures to my CPUs, integrate the GPU for just putting them into frame buffer, which has already caused me some issues. Oh, okay. I mean, that sounds kinda hard as well, yeah. Or not hard, but yeah, convoluted, let's put it that way. All right. So yeah, as I said, I think we have all the components up. We will find out tomorrow if it works on a bigger scope than just one cube. I am afraid that my triangle fan is wrong though, but let's see. Are we generating a triangle fan right now? Or are we? Yeah, I mean, probably, right? We have to, because the vertex is already there. So we should already be generating a vertex. Yeah. A triangle fan. I mean, maybe it works. Well, no, tomorrow we will build a grid. I think I have the code somewhere for that still, hopefully. Otherwise it's not too hard. So we will build a grid of, let's say, 100 by 100. So 100 cubes times 100 cubes in like a 3D grid. Then we sample our isosurface function, which we already have. Fill that grid with isosurface values. And then we run over that and triangulate that. That's the idea. And probably fail horribly. Because why not? That's what you do. It will horribly fail. But yeah, getting the grid up is super easy. And then, yeah, running over it is not too hard either, but yeah. Let's see. Thank you very much. As I said, it was a pleasure. And yeah, probably tomorrow, well, not probably, tomorrow 7:30 we will continue. And maybe before the stream I will continue polishing my readme, so and testing, and yeah, then we should be close to the release, and then you can have some more insight as well into how I do my Vulkan if you are interested in that. All right, see you tomorrow. Have a nice rest of your evening. Bye bye.